a good combination. You can say, because all she cares about is money, and all he cares, well, you don't know how to say all she cares about, so you can say it more simply, right? She loves money. He wants to make a lot of money. However, you can find a way to say it. That means going through the structures and seeing the structures that you've learned so far, which is verbs être with adjectives, and then avoir with all these expressions. Okay? So number 2 is to justify the marriage. So you're going to, here's an example. Marie est intelligente, belle. Elle a 22 ans. Charles est sympathique et charmant, il a 25 ans. Ce sont des étudiants à l'université. See, everything's good practice. You see that ce sont? That's odd, isn't it? It's hard. It's sort of, you don't expect that. Ce sont des étudiants. That's actually how you say they are students. Ce sont des étudiants. Ils étudient le japonais ensemble. Okay, so you see got a reason. That's how they bump into each other, whatever. Ils désirent des enfants. Ils ont, désirer is a verb. But you've got another expression. You've learned that. Avoir envie de. Why don't use that? Ils ont envie d'avoir des enfants. Deux enfants. Un fils et une fille. C'est un bon mariage. Okay, now, this is the third part. Maintenant, réaliser le mariage. Réaliser does not mean to realize, as in to notice, but rather to make it real, to make it tangible, to do it. Écrivez un grand dialogue. Les deux grandes familles sont des invités à la fête du mariage. Okay, so all the families, everybody in that family tree shows up at the wedding. Vous devez présenter les uns aux autres. So the family people meet each other, okay, at the wedding. And what do they talk about? When you go to a wedding, you talk to the family the other side, you know anything about them, right? So you only talk about the obvious topic, which is, oh, wow, what a lovely couple they make. You know, he's so tall and dashing and she's so smart, or whatever it is, right? Don't they make a lovely couple type of conversation? Okay? So, in other words, this dialogue can be sort of a reiteration of what you've already said, but now put into dialogue form, right? With all of your stuff from chapter 1. Bonjour, comment vous appelez-vous? Enchanté, je m'appelle blablabla, qu'est-ce que vous faites? And then the conversation turns to be, they run out of things to say, they start talking about what a lovely couple, right? And I don't think you've studied the weather yet, so they can't talk about the weather. Have we studied that yet? I don't think we have. So that's in chapter 3, I guess. So they can't talk about the weather, it's going to talk about, describe the personalities of the wonderful couple. And off you go. Let me go through this again, guys. Step 1. Imagine. Find the pair. Step 2. Justify it. Now that justification is a third party, saying she is like this and he is like that. You're describing, right? Step 3 is dialogue. It's a real dialogue, like John, colon, blah, 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 blah. Hello, my name is John, right? Mary, oh, delighted to meet you. You must be the grandfather of, Marianne. Oh, yes, how did you know? Oh, well, would you like to sit down? Anything you don't know how to say, just cut it, all right? Return back to the structures that you have. So, first part, you don't have to produce anything, you just do it. That's fine. 2 things you have to write. One is a justification, that's done in the third person. Then you have a dialogue. All right, I'll give you a few minutes to do that. We have this, I've got a feeling we're not going to get to it. Guys, well, just put it on ice. Is that ready on a memory stick, Josh? Yeah. Is there anything that cannot wait, or can it wait? Is that okay? It can wait? You wanted to get it over and done with, huh? Did you want to get it over and done with?
It gives us a lot more time to make it interesting.
You can make it more interesting. Okay, good. So anyway, we'll put that on ice, and we will let you guys get into these groups. Okay?